Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing a small haul of items I picked up recently from Target in the dollar spot area and from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. So I think I'm going to get started with the Dollar Tree items first. And the reason for that is that they are a little more mundane than the ones that I picked up from Target. So let me show you what I got. So the first thing I got, and it's the only more decorative item that I picked up there, is this 12-piece shamrock set. They're foam. And there's two different colors. There's this kind of lime green color here, and then there's this darker, more Kelly green color. And I don't really like the sparkles, but I think the shape is okay, and the back is not sparkly. So I think I'm going to be using these, but with the back side showing rather than the sparkly side. So I have a particular purpose in mind for some of them, so you'll have to stay tuned for another video to see what that is. And then let's go on to the more mundane items. I found this little container of trash bags, 28 bags in here. I don't know how well they will work, but I use this size in our master bathroom. So I am going to check them out and let you know how they work. And then while we're on the subject of bathrooms, I picked up these clear shower curtain rings. I'm not going to be using them for a shower curtain. We don't need a shower curtain on any of our enclosures because we have doors. But I have another purpose in mind for these that have to do with home organization. So I will be showing that in a future video as well. And then I have been using or trying to use more cleaning cloths for cleaning around my house rather than using paper towels, so I'm not wasteful. So I noticed that they had these neutral microfiber washcloths in the bath section, but I actually think I'm going to be using these as cleaning cloths, not washcloths. And there's 4 in a pack. They are 11 inches square, so I did pick up a couple packs of those. So, you know, for a couple dollars, they will work fine. And this color goes with my kitchen, which is the main area where I'm thinking I'm going to be using these, since that's the one that needs to be, that's the area in my home that needs to be cleaned the most. So, and then the last thing I picked up, I finally found some of these, are these white pebbles. There's actually a couple gray ones in here too, but they're primarily white. And they are kind of a small pellet size, like the kind you would put in a fish tank. But I hadn't seen any in the white. I'd seen black and I'd seen lime green color, but I wanted some white ones for a particular purpose, which I will also be showing you in another video in the future. It has to do with organizing things as well. So this was the only bag I found, actually. There was one bag left of the white, and it was at the Dollar Tree I don't go to very often. It's one that's about half the size of the bigger one that I go to. And the bigger one had none of these, and I lucked out. I got one at the smaller Dollar Tree. So that's it for my Dollar Tree items. Let's move on to Target. Okay, well, I had to change the camera angle because the lighting changed suddenly in my room, and it was casting some weird shadows. I was still casting some strange shadows on my face, but we'll have to make do. So I only picked up a couple items at the dollar spot. I was looking to see what they had for St. Patrick's Day. I'm really going for more of a neutral green, creams, whites color scheme for my home this spring. I'm going to throw in some colors when we get closer to Easter, but right now I really am liking things neutral. So they didn't have too many items I wanted to pick up, but I thought, since I don't really have a lot of green in my home, I would go ahead and pick up these kitchen towels. I thought these were cute. They actually had quite a variety of them, but the reason I got this one is I liked this Kelly green better than some of the other colors they had, and I thought this was a really pretty towel. And it could also work at Christmas time if I wanted to do some greens. And so I liked this one the best of the towels without the phrases on them. And then this one I thought was kind of cute. It says top of the morning, and it has a cup of coffee with some shamrocks on it. So I don't know if I'm going to put this in the kitchen. Maybe I'll put it by my coffee bar, but I liked these and they were $3. And then the other thing I got, I only saw a few of these, was this shamrock garland. And I'm actually not going to keep it as a garland. I think I'm going to take off the individual sprigs and use them for some other things. So that's something to keep in mind. If you don't find what you're looking for in picks, maybe you can find a garland and then snip pieces off of it to use for other things, because I don't really need a garland with shamrock. But this particular garland was also $3. That's it for my Target and Dollar Tree haul. I hope you liked it. I know it was kind of small, but I thought I would go ahead and share it anyway, particularly the items that I picked up at Target, because I thought that people might be interested in finding those. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've picked up anything recently from your Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree that you are planning on using for your St. Patrick's Day decorating. And once again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing and join us here in this community. That's it for now. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.